Hello friends, welcome to our channel Finance and Entertainment. I am back with another interesting job opportunity for all of you. As you know, like I am a professional search consultant working here in a search firm in Gurgaon. I keep on sharing different sort of mandates on my channel. However, you must be thinking that why I am not posting any new opportunity on this channel from last few days. Reason is very simple, as you know, like because of COVID situation, most of our clients have put those mandates on hold, and hence there are very few active mandates which are there in the market. Still, like I have shared few mandates with you earlier as well, so I'll put it in the card section here, like head of L&D, GM security, and EA to CHRO. So there are a lot of other opportunities which I have shared it earlier as well. Similarly, I am again back with another job opportunity, which is for operations head or business head role for one of our client in Delhi NCR. So this is a very niche kind of industry wherein we are catering to our client. They are looking for the head of operations, which is for one of their businesses into ice cream parlors, ice cream business, or quick service restaurants, you can say so. So this is this position is based out of Delhi NCR, and the person will be managing the overall P&L for this business. They already have a setup in North region, and they want to expand this business to Pan India role as well. So for which they want someone who is coming from the industry and who understands this quick service restaurant or specifically in ice cream business, who can manage the top line, how to grow the top line, how to grow the bottom line, how we can enhance the margins. This is the primary role. This position is, as I mentioned, it is a P&L role, so obviously this person will be managing not only the sales but marketing, the supply chain, and HR, finance, and top of it the manufacturing side of it as well. So right from the new product development, what needs to be developed, looking at the market scenario, looking at the business, looking at the competition, and then how to launch that product in the market, and then how to grow the business. That's the kind of main motive for this role. There are two ways to look at it. As I mentioned, they already have their presence in North, so they have their company owned, company operated stores. So either you can grow the COCO stores, the number of stores, or you can go for the franchisee owned, franchisee operated stores as well. So that call needs to be taken at the leadership level, and this person will be a critical person to take that call. So if in case you are going ahead with that company owned, company operated store, so there you need to first identifying the location. First you'll see that okay, where you need to open that store, whether there is a footfall is there for that kind of product or not. If yes, then identifying that location, finalizing that location, getting into the legal contract with the owner, and then opening up the store. And top of it, once you open up the stores, you need to do a lot of store level marketing, you need to do a lot of digital marketing, so that public are aware of it, like okay, this is a new store which has opened up in their area. Once that has been done, then you need to run a lot of promotional activities in the store. You need to run a lot of schemes so that people are really keen to have that particular product and like that product, and take the feedback, working on the customer feedbacks as well. So that is it from the logistics part of it. Like you need to also make sure there are no pilferages. You need to do a lot of alliances with different organizations, be it Zomato, Swiggy, and all those things. This position is, as I mentioned, is head of operations or head of business. So this person will be directly reporting into the promoter director, and will be leading a team in operations, then logistics, then manufacturing side of it as well. So the production people, the finance people, all those people would be reporting into this person. And this is a fairly new organization. It's been almost 4-5 years there in the market, but it is part of a bigger conglomerate. So funding is not a problem. So the way people are talking about startups, so startups, the main problem is funding. So they don't have any problem in funding because it is part of a bigger conglomerate and under a bigger umbrella. So money is not a constraint, but yes, execution and strategizing the things is rather more important. So this is what we are working on right now. In case anybody would be looking at this kind of opportunity, can share their CV on my official email ID, which is cv3.ggn@eta.in. Here the CTC range for this role can go up till 30-35 lakhs, and the experience what we are looking for is around 15 to 25 years of experience. So this is it. If in case you like to hear or see these kind of videos in future as well, do comment and let me know how you like this kind of content, and whether I should continue with this kind of content in future also or not. Right. In case you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.